act of violence brings us closer to death. A very pleasant morning to everyone. Today I, Ayushi Yadav, student of class 10C, welcome you all to our class assembly on the topic Anti-Terrorism Day. Anti-Terrorism Day is celebrated every year on 21st May to promote peace and harmony in the nation. It is also observed as the death anniversary of our former Prime Minister Shri Rajiv Gandhi. Terrorism, the most heinous crime by the mankind against the mankind, has become the biggest fear for Indians today. Fighting this crime has become the moral duty of every Indian. Now my friend Anuj will enunciate in front of all what is terrorism.
Terrorism is an act carried out by a group of people to threaten the lives of fellow humans. It creates an fear in air and anxiety in the air as all people are worried about their lives and their loved ones.
Why terrorism flourishes? Terrorism is generated due to extremism, patriotism, religion, as well as racism. The main aim of terrorists is to destroy the fundamental rights of citizens.
इश्क गर वतन से हो तो दमदार होना चाहिए, लहू का एक एक कतरा यहाँ कर्जदार होना चाहिए.
With guns, you can kill terrorists, but with education, you can kill terrorism.
आतंक ने कैसा कोहराम मचाया है, इंसान को इंसानों से लड़ाया है. बात किसी मजहब या कौम की नहीं, इसने तो इंसानियत को दहलाया है.
Anti-terrorism, also known as counter-terrorism, are the government plans, military techniques that are used by intelligence agencies, defense ministries, law and enforcement agencies to combat terrorism and neutralize terrorists.
My dear friend Shivang, can you tell me that how did Syria overcame terrorism?
Syria overcame terrorism by following the rule of the 4 P's, which are prevent the people from becoming terrorists, protect the public from such terrorist attacks, pursue, which states that criminals and suspects shall be tried and punished operationally, and prepare for such attacks to mitigate their impact.
My second question is that, is Syria safer now?
Yes, the terrorist attacks in Syria are now almost over and it could be said safe, but people say that in the desert area of the country, the terrorist camps are still active.
Shivang, can you please tell us that what is Pulwama attack and when did it occur?
Pulwama attack was a terrorist attack done by the terrorists from Jaish-e-Mohammed. On 14 February 2019, a car full of explosives was pumped into a bus carrying CRPF soldiers. And this incident resulted in the sad death of 40 CRPF soldiers.
Shivang, did our nation took any step against it? If yes, then what?
Yes, our country took many steps against this dreadful attack. On 26 February 2019, our citizens woke up to find that the terrorist camp of Jaish-e-Mohammed situated in Balakot, Pakistan has been bombed by our country. This surgical strike took place early in the morning where our country sent the aircraft to Balakot to bomb the terrorist camp.
इस संसार में सभी देश अपने अपने हथियारों को विकसित करने में लगे हुए हैं. जब तक इन देशों की हथियार बनाने की सोच नहीं बदलती, तब तक आतंकवादियों को कहीं ना कहीं से पनाह एवं हथियार मिलते रहेंगे. इसलिए सबसे पहले हमें अहिंसा का मार्ग अपनाना होगा. इसके अलावा सभी मजबूत राष्ट्रों को मिलकर आतंकवाद के खिलाफ लड़ना होगा. आतंकवाद का अंधेरा हटाना होगा. अ से अमन, च से चैन पढ़ाना होगा. हमारी धरती, हमारा देश सिखाना होगा. धन्यवाद.
देशद्रोह करने वालों का अस्तित्व यहाँ मिट सकता है. आतंकवाद का नाच यहाँ अब और नहीं हो सकता है. वंदे मातरम कहने को जो इंसान तैयार नहीं, उन जयचंदों को भारत में रहने का अधिकार नहीं. देश प्रेम और देशभक्ति का उद्घोष यहाँ करना होगा. भारत माता का वंदन कर जय घोष यहाँ करना होगा. जय घोष यहाँ करना होगा. जय घोष यहाँ करना होगा.
Terrorism is the biggest threat to humanity. We should join hands together to eliminate it from our planet. It's better to provide the young hands with pens, not guns.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की